Hi folks, I'm out here today in this neighborhood that got hit Easter by just a devastating tornado, and this is one of the houses that I mowed, and that one behind me there, um, they did okay. I mean, they're tore all to hell, but as you see, you know, but actually these fared a lot better than some of the other ones that I'm mowing here that got just totally destroyed. But it's weird being out here, I'll have to tell you, like all that, how open it is, and you can see those houses and road and stuff. Other used to couldn't see that. It was like totally covered with trees, you know. So it's very bizarre to be back out here. Looks like a totally different place. Yeah, and the grass is crazy high because I hadn't mowed it since before Easter, and they wanted me to come out and do it today because they finally got the debris, a lot of the debris cleared up out of the yard. And I'm walking around it now, and let's see here. Yeah, kind of crazy. Very, it was a very devastating thing. Wow, this is, I mean, if you had seen it before, you could probably go back through some old videos and maybe recognize it. This yard is very weird. So weird how different it looks. And I'll show you some places later when we drive through that look like a post-apocalyptic movie or something. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna be tackling this tall grass today. We'll see how it goes. Catch y'all on the flip side. Boop. we're gonna take you on a drive through to see some of this stuff. You still have to go through security to get in this neighborhood. Like I said, on this end, wasn't too bad. I mean, it wasn't as bad, I should say. The house right there was blessed. I think they got the least of probably any of them. Here's the road that we did 2 on that got hit the hardest. You'll be able to see that. Crazy. Hopefully I can get turned around down here. But yeah. See if I can get turned around. But yeah, that's one of the houses that I did, and there's another one. And yeah. Yeah, very, very sad to see all this. It's crazy. Well, y'all have a great day. See ya.
This has been a Lone Stars Dramedy Network presentation. Dolling.